How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can add connectors in Anycubic slicer. Now, to get started, I'm going to add a primitive shape. It's going to be a cube. And of course, you want to simply use the cut function on your Anycubic slicer. So click on your model that you want to apply connectors onto, and then we are going to use the cut function. Inside cut, you just want to navigate through the part where you want to apply your connectors. So to make things easier, I'm just going to be applying it onto the middle of my model. And then of course, you want to click on add connectors. I suggest using something like hexagon because this is one of the strongest connectors that you can simply use. And then you can edit this out with something like the type right here, style, shape, depth, size, and more. So in my case, I'm going to use plug, and I'm going to increase the depth, and same thing with the size right here. So click on confirm connectors, click perform cuts, and then it will split the objects into two separate parts. So for this one, I'm going to move it onto the side. You can also navigate through the object section in order to see each object. And now we have successfully applied our connectors. As you can see right here, this is the plug for our specific connector. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.